everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today I wanted to see if I am capable of creating my own custom stamp, okay, with just a few items that I already have at home. So I'm going to be using, for the handle, I'm going to be using my Victoria's Secret spray bottle top. All of that is empty. And I am using 3 pieces of the Jenga wood. And I think I purchased this from, I want to say Five Below, but you can also catch them at Dollar Tree as well. And we will also need some foam. So I purchased this foam from Michael's Craft Store, and I am using it on the purple strong grip mat. Okay. All right, so let's get started. So these are the 3 designs that I came up with, just playing around and creating design space. And I'm going to hide 2 of them because we're only going to use the middle one, and I'm going to duplicate this one about 5 times. So let me press this 4 times, and let's send this over to our mat. Okay, so here are our 5 pieces here. Now let's head over to our machine, and I'm going to show you what I used in a custom setting. So I decided not to use the custom setting. You want to place this on the poster board setting. So I sent it over to my machine, and we're going to press this arrow that's blinking here. And then we will press our Cricut button. I am using my black deep point blade, as you can see there. And we're going to allow this to cut 5 times. So the machine is done cutting out the pieces, and one thing I did forget to mention is make sure you mirror your image. Okay, so I had to go back to mirror mine. So make sure you mirror. I'm just removing the inner piece of the letter A. Guess I didn't do a good job with putting it together. Interesting. Okay. Well, it doesn't look too bad, right? We're just trying it out, just see if it works or not. Okay. So that's done. And like I said, I duplicated my image 5 times, and we're just going to stack them all together like so. And we're going to use a hot glue gun, like this. So I'm going to put that to the side. Now, I did have a company reach out to me via email asking me to try out their glue gun. So this is the company here. I purchased this off of Amazon. This is my first time using it. Of course, it comes with the instructions. Okay, it do come with some glue sticks. Sorry, that's always a plus. I like that. It comes like with a little base here, because you know hot glue gun is really messy. So to have that is, I don't even have anything like this. I'm always putting something underneath it, and it either gets stuck or, oh yeah, it's just a mess sometimes. So we have some colorful glue sticks, and we also have some clear. And these are longer today, so that's cool. I like that. I'm gonna pull out just one of them. Put this to the side. Okay, now let's put our pieces together. So this is the base, and again, it has a little succulent feet at the bottom. That's great if you're like using it on the table or something. Make sure I'm putting it in correct. Okay, so that's positioned properly. Great. Okay, so all we need to do is plug it in. So I do have a little on and off switch here, and when it's time for you to get ready to use it, it's going to sit like this, and all of the extra glue and strings and everything should fall in here. And another thing I like about this glue gun is this little silicone piece here is removable, so you can clean this out. Place it back in this place. Look at that. This is so cute. I really like this. Now let's give it a try. Let's plug this up. Okay, guys. So the heat press is warm. It did not take that long to get warm at all. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to glue our pieces together. So we're going to stack them. And then we're going to glue them together. I'm just going to put a little dab, not too much. Because this is foam, so I don't know how it's going to act with the glue. But we're going to see. So I'm just carefully placing the glue around there. And I'm going to just connect them all together. So I'm going to do these to all of the pieces until I have completed all 5 of them. Okay. So all 5 of the pieces has been stacked together. And now we have something that looks like this. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the wooden pieces. I'm just going to put a little glue in the middle. I do not want it to gush out on the sides at all. Very little cleanup. And let's see how I did. I like this glue gun. Really works. Really acts fast. You have to move quick. I noticed that when I was putting the foams together. Probably also because the foam was not meant to be heated with the hot glue gun, but we made it work. So just make sure you act fast if you do achieve, if you do try to recreate it. Okay. That's done. Great. All right. So the next thing is to place our top on. Just going to place a little dab glue on around the middle, the center. I'm just kind of eyeballing it too, so wherever we're at, we're at. Okay, so far I like it. It's gonna get the job done. Oh man, you know what I should have done? I thought, you know what, let me see. Oh, okay. That was easy. So what I'm going to do is I have this construction paper right here, this pink construction paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate the wooden blocks. Okay, so I know I said I was going to just cover all of this up with construction paper. As you can see, I did the top and the bottom, but off camera I went and found me some bling wrap. I think I purchased this bling wrap from Dollar Tree when it was actually $1. So we're going to just cut the amount of columns that we need. And I lined it up and there was 3. So that's perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't want this colorful pattern right here to be shown. And I believe that I'm going to see it. Yeah, you can still see it. So I'm just going to cover that up with the construction pieces. I'm going to just do like a little squiggly motion. That's what I'll do. And be careful because hot glue gun is hot. So I'm just going to tap it like so until I get all the way around. Okay, so I have placed my bling wrap all the way around. This is so cute. This is really cute. I don't know. This is just really cute with just that by itself. Now I'm thinking of other things. Okay, let's stay focused. So I also placed a little bling wrap. Yeah, call me extra around the little top part. And now we can glue this on, and then we can add our foam. Okay, so I'm gonna put it about right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna add another batch of glue. This time I'm gonna add a generous amount because the first time that one came off too quick. Okay, so I added a lot this time. Okay, place it down in the middle. And I'm just going to press down on it a little bit for a couple seconds. Okay, we should be good. Yeah, we're good. Okay. This is one bougie stamp. And now we can go ahead and add our base. Make sure I got it on right, and I did not, because remember we had to mirror the image. So this is how it will look when it's on the paper. Okay, so we want to glue on this portion here, and I will have to act really fast. I know I do, because this is not going to adhere if I don't move quickly. Okay. All right. Now I don't really care how it's on the bottom, but yeah, it doesn't matter to me anyway. Okay, just gonna press it down, hold that down for a few seconds, and now we're gonna put this thing to the test. Okay, so I'm hoping for great results. Okay, yeah, everything is intact into the bottom. Okay. All right, now let me get my little ink pad right here that I had for I don't know how long, a very long time. All right, now let's go ahead and place it on, get a little ink on there, making sure that it's all covered. Okay, look like it's fully coated to me. I'm just going to place it on this round. Okay, now this part doesn't look like it got covered. As you can see, like a little, let me get a pen. Like this little part right here didn't get covered. I don't think it'll be a big deal, but let's just see when we put it on the paper how it looks. Yeah. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, let's find out. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. Okay, not bad. I like it. Of course, it looks like you're going to have to keep putting the ink on there, but that's cool too. Perfect. It looks good to me. Let me know what y'all think. This didn't turn out too bad for a couple items that I already had at home. Oh yeah, not bad at all. Okay, guys, so that concludes the video. I hope that you all learned something new. If you give it a try, make sure you tag me. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. And I also want to just shout out the company that reached out to me once more. This is the company's name here, or this is the name of the heat press here. I purchased this from Amazon, about $17 or $18. And do I want to say anything else about the heat press? No, that's it. Nothing else about the heat press. You guys will love it if you do purchase it. Trust me, you saw it here. No problems. It clicked on really quick, and it got heated really fast, and it came with glue stick upgrade, y'all. So this is what I was using before, and now look at the new one versus the old one. I think I purchased this from Joann's or Dollar Tree, whichever one. But I'm blessed. I'm happy. Okay, so that's enough of me talking. Thank you all for tuning in once again. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Until next time, bye.